Hi, I am from AADME and I like the Aloksa course very much, and I have done my digital marketing course from AADME, and I like the way the sir teach us and the hand to hand pulling, connecting the dots. I like the most, and I like the most the LMS. I like most LMS. If I stuck everywhere in my job or anywhere the other projects, I go and see the lectures and see the what other tips are mentioned in the LMS, and I get connected and get it remember that from how this we can do for this. These are the strategies. These are the ways. I like them very much. After that, if I stuck in everywhere, if I don't know which ad copy is proper, which ad headline is proper, I just go in my WhatsApp group, add me in a pool. I just go and message there, and I get the recommends, and I get the opinions of other digital marketers, other admins, students, and get the basic review. And I come to know which is properly working, which is properly not working. I like that most. And even sir also helped me out in my career, in my job also. I will highly recommend anybody to do course. If anybody is looking for do digital marketing, I will recommend him to do his digital marketing course or from AADME. Thank you, sir.